Okay, hello, hi, and welcome to my channel Super Linux. Okay, this is Rani Ahmed with you. I'm gonna do something unusual with my microscope that you're seeing is an AmScope T120, yeah, 120. It's a compound biological microscope. So there's something that's unusual, not always people would do, as far as I understand, is adding such revolvers to the eyepiece. This is used for the eyepiece place, okay? The shaft of the eyepiece here and in here, example. So this is what I'm gonna do, okay? So this is for telescopes. This is a method to switch between four telescope eyepieces, okay? And you can use telescope eyepieces on a microscope. Okay, here in this video, I'm gonna show you the effects. I'm not gonna install the eyepieces. I'm gonna show you how to install the revolvers only. So please understand there's a final image I want you to see, final picture that I want you to see, and how the microscope will look like. Okay, so I have this one, and I have another one of this, which is in this box. Okay, and we have here another one that takes only three. This is from Kson. Okay, this is from Bader. Okay, from Bader. The brand is called Bader. Okay, a very famous brand for telescopes. Okay, and telescope accessories. So what we're going to do also, okay, in order to install them. First, I'm gonna start with Kson. I'm gonna put it on the top. Then I'm gonna put those two on the binocular or the binoviewer of the microscope. Okay, so here. Okay, see here, this is a 1.25 inch eyepiece. I can use this adapter. This is two adapters inside each other. We have this is an input of 1.25 inch. So here, as an example, I can just insert it like this. This screw is just to hold it. So I can insert it like this, and I can use the let's just fasten it a little bit, and we can just simply swap between different or change between different eyepieces. Okay, so you can see there's an opening. If I move it, it will close. So okay, and each time it will click, it's telling you that it's a new eyepiece at the moment. Okay, each time you switch, that's a new eyepiece. Same with the Bader. Okay, same idea in the Bader. Okay, so as I told you, can use this. Okay, I have two of it. Okay, we need to put two here, and this one, as you saw, it takes the 1.25 inch, and here is another T adapter. Okay, you can use it also with your DSLR camera. Okay, so here is 23 millimeter input, which can go like this. Okay, on the top, and you can put it over here too, because this is what the microscope eyepieces diameter are in their sizes. So you can put it over here. So this means I can also put it like this. Okay, but this means I can put this whole thing, okay, like this. I can put the Kson maybe here, or zoom it a little bit. I can put it like this, or I can put it like this. Okay. Now, I'm not gonna use this adapter for them, okay? I put like here, I put the second one here, the second one, okay? Can I use it like here, yeah? And there is another adapter here, okay? I'll show you this one. This is like a T adapter, similar to the one that you saw earlier, but this is smaller. This is from this side is 23 millimeters, like the microscope eyepieces. This side here is the same size of the input of the place where you put the filters underneath the telescope eyepieces. Okay. So, for example, I have to get a telescope eyepiece. Anyway, forget it. Okay. So, for example, this camera. Okay. This camera takes the same size here, like the microscope, like the 1.25 inch. So from inside, it's 28 millimeters. So this one can go like this if you want. Same thing as if it's on a telescope eyepiece, but we can do it the same here. For example, let's see. We can just put this here. Okay. And simply you can put it on the top. Okay, I have another one like this one T. Okay, we're done. Problem here is that there's no screw over here to hold it, so it kind of like, yeah, it should be standing still like this, and you should revolve from the top, not revolve like this. Okay. So I'm sorry, I was talking about this, they don't record it. So I'm talking about like this can be revolved like this. This can this can. Or this must be revolving like this. Okay. Okay. Now let me zoom out so it can be completely seen. Okay. Here, this is the very first one. Okay, see, as for inputs. Okay, and don't worry about the focusing on a microscope. It's not a telescope. On a telescope, you have to be prepared that you might need to install a barrel lens before installing this revolver. Okay, that's not a telescope, but on a microscope you don't need to. Okay, it will always focus. Okay, so those are dust covers that I'm removing. This one dust cover. Okay, see here. Okay, and we can just revolve this. Let's show it. Here we are. Here. Okay, so I will be doing this. Okay, and I'm gonna do this too. Okay, let's put these aside so they don't get mixed up. I know it's not a big problem to mix them up, but just allowed to put them as they were. Okay, so this one goes here, another dust cover. Okay, and another dust cover, the final one, and then we can go like this. Okay, you can use a screw to hold it. Okay. Now here we're facing maybe an issue. Okay, because they're too neighboring, too much touching each other maybe. Okay. So this is the final image. Okay. Here let me show a nearer image of this. Okay. Cool. So this is how it should look like. Now my microscope can take, now if you want to say 4, 4, and 3, you're talking about 11 eyepieces at the same time. And remember, this is revolving, and this one, the bottom, can revolve too. Okay. So yeah, let me turn it back to the 4 times. This is the starting point. Okay, and that's it. Okay. Hope that you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and like our channel. I know it's unusual, but because I have it, I wanted to do it. Okay, thanks. Bye.